Hi guys, welcome to another video of Shutter Voyages. Today I have something really interesting. It's actually a robot. When we hear the word robot, we usually think that it's of something from science fiction movie or something like that, which is not yet practical for normal day-to-day use. But this is different. This is actually a robot that you can buy. You can go to a store and buy it. And what the robot does is it cleans your home. So, earlier it used to be we used to hire maids or we used to have people to clean our homes. Now only a machine can do it. This is manufactured by Xiaomi and you can buy it anywhere in India in any retail store from Xiaomi or an online website from Xiaomi. It costs 25,000 rupees. I also got a speaker with it. So that's something that if you're looking for a smart speaker also along with a smart robot in the market. Now moving on, let's quickly see the unboxing first and then we'll focus on our first impressions. What are the first impressions of the product and should you buy it right now? Is it like just a gimmick or is it actually of any good? Okay, so here is the device. You see the design of the product on the front. Nothing very glittery box. It's a very simple usual box, nothing new. Let me quickly open this up and you get a very simple box. Okay. Oh, this can be scary. Let me adjust the light. Okay, so here is our main product. We'll see about all the boxes in the later on. Till then, okay, it's a little heavy. It's heavier than what I expected. Let me quickly keep that aside. And I think these should be the charging cable and the charging dock. It charges through a dock, so okay, lots of mess here. Let me take all of this out and then we'll quickly see what accessories we get inside the box of this device. It's a very fascinating device for me as a robot that can actually clean. Okay, so here is something. I think this is you can see there are instructions on this about how to use it. It's for reinstalling and cleaning the dust. This is actually the place where dust goes from the vacuum cleaner, and this I think should be a strap or something. This here I guess is a new charging dock. Yeah, this is definitely a charging dock. So what it does is, how you have to use it is, you can place it like that and the robot will automatically come and stick to it and charge itself. It's that simple. You don't have to do a lot. Okay, let me quickly keep that aside. This is a charging brick and the wire. So here is the charging brick and the wire. You just have to attach it and rest it will do itself. It will just come and okay, now we have this big box. I have no idea what is there inside it. Okay, so these, as you can see, are the cleaning that blades, you can call it, the blades that stick to the bottom of the vacuum cleaner, the vacuum robot to be precise. It's so strange that a robot is cleaning our homes now. So here is the pad, the cleaning pad that sticks to the bottom. Nothing fancy, just simple. Although one thing that I'd like to specifically mention is kudos to Xiaomi for making this a mass market product, because robots usually, like the one made by MIT, they are usually something that common people cannot afford. But this is Xiaomi's great job on this. This is a cleaning pad. Okay, and now let's quickly see the main product. Okay, so here is, it's a little heavy. It's actually heavier than I anticipated it to be. But never mind, you don't have to carry it around. So here is the main device. It's movable, and these two plates where it sticks to the charging cable and charges. MI written here. This is the power button, this is the home button, and if I show you on the bottom, not much, just the tires, the wheels that are, I think, 360-degree rotatable, that actually help it move, and these are the cleaners, etc. So let me quickly set it up and show you how this thing actually works. So after using this product for around 3-4 days, my overall idea about it is, it's in a very nascent stage, and specifically for a market like India, where the houses are not properly made or not properly constructed that way. So it is something that needs a little more maturity product wise. Still, if you are in the market to buy it, if you like the design, or if you are someone like me who will loves to see where the future of the technology is going, so you should definitely you can get one, and you can use it actually for real purpose to clean your house. The cleaning efficiency of the product is great. I am not saying that it can replace your maid or someone who cleans your house, but it's still great. It's not something that is completely waste of your money. Now coming to the point, that what's the future of this product. So as the product matures, as the technology matures, it will start using AI, because it uses AI. It has infrared sensors in the front, and with the help of those sensors, it detects obstacles and then turns around. So all of them are done on real time on the onboard processor itself. It requires lots of processing, lots of data, because it has to in real time detect an obstacle, then decide its course further. So that's all, lot of data combined, lot of algorithms working together. So if right now it's not possible for it to be perfect, because AI is in a very nascent stage, but in future I have hopes, like down the line, 3-4 years down the line, you'll see a perfect cleaning robot that can actually clean your home. And there are a lot of things that robotics can do way better in future. Like there are multiple uses of robotics, like they are already being used in car manufacturing industry and a lot of other industry. Now again, one thing is that if you are someone who is a tech enthusiast, who wants to buy the product, who wants to experiment it, then you should get one. This is not yet a consumer product, a normal consumer who can go out and buy it, because there are lots of flaws with the product itself. The major flaw that I detected was, we Indians have slippers in home. We wear slippers in our home. It cannot detect a slipper. It would either get stuck with the slipper, or it would just rearrange your slipper somewhere else in the house. I have to find my slipper every time I run this machine to clean the house. So that is something that I noticed primarily with the device. Now the second major flaw is, I think, the cleaning time. It takes approximately 30 minutes to clean a normal size room. So that is also something that was my gripe with the product. Other than that, it's a decent product. It's a future technology right now in your hands. I mean, come on, just think that you are actually using a robot which doesn't require any intervention from you other than just a press of a start button. It detects the obstacle, it avoids them, and along with it, it cleans your house very well, like decently well enough. So it's your choice. Now we will have a giveaway also. The giveaway is of smart speaker by Xiaomi. It's a Google Assistant enabled speaker. The rules are simple. You have to follow us on Instagram. You have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and one of you will win the product. The winner will be announced at 65,000 subscribers. So it's not very far. We are very soon nearing that. And the winner announcement will be made on Instagram, but you have to follow all the rules mentioned in the description. So make sure you do that. And thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys are safe. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.